How to get the best crafting benches in your once human game? So there are the ways you can follow. Gathering raw materials. Some items such as logos are most easily acquired by gathering them in natural world. Processing raw materials. Certain crafting resources need to be refined from the raw sources. Now, disassembling the scrap. Once you get the disassembly bench, you can turn all the random scrap you can find such as ballpoint pens, staples, toilet plungers, and many more. Now, fourth is killing enemies. You can certain resources by killing enemies. Fifth is completing the task. Completing story task or task found throughout the world may reward you with some resources that will get some crafting resources on your account. Aside from natural materials such as logo and various ores, your best way to crafting materials to explore points interest on the map, you are sure to find plenty of loot all throughout the area, although you will probably have to kill some enemies to safely collect it. Rarely, you may find item with orange tinted icon and nameplate. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.